So on WhatsApp, there was a question about profile interpolation, and I have an example here where it's a crazy example because I'm examining some other stuff, but still, well, meh, let me fix it. I'll just clean this up a little bit so it looks more normal. Delete that keyframe. Move this out here. Here we go. It's easier to see like this. So in the profile view right here, I have one profile loaded, which is positioned at 0, which means the center of the wing. So that's where we have just one profile, and as we progress here, nothing much happens except for the scaling, which goes from 1 and then dips down to 0 at the end to collapse the shape out here. So for understanding, I will remove the scaling. I hold Control to make these snaps. So now the scaling is 1 all the way, and the only scaling that happens now is the scaling that the chord length commands. So the profile is now scaled uniformly depending on the chord length. So we get this predictable result, I would think. So if you basically go to, say, at 0.75% of the wing, so that's about here, I want to put another profile. You just put this marker at 0.75 and then you import a profile. And I have something here. I have no idea what these are, but I'll just try this. So here's the profile, kind of boring. Let's see if we can find another one. Yeah, this. So now we have this show. This let's remove the edges so we can see. So now we have this shape. Sorry, what's it called? Shark, of course. The shark shape is now at 0.75, and we still have the previous profile at the center, and it interpolates over the shape up to 0.75 and then stays with that the rest of the way. So we should have the shark nose here also. And then we can put back the scaling to make this collapse out here and do something like this maybe. And there you have it. So the profile is now interpolated. I'm still missing all the holes and that kind of stuff. So you see here at 0.75 we have that profile, but it's scaled as it says here 1.23. So maybe we can add a keyframe here and move that down if we want it smaller here. And it collapses at the end. So I hope that is a full answer.